Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today to share my For the Love of Homemade Kits kit share with you. Share my kit. Yeah, sorry. That was a mouthful that I wasn't expecting. Okay, so I have my kit in here and I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to share it with you. This one took a little bit more thought and planning than I had expected. It was a little harder on me. So what I'm going to do is I will share the papers with you and then I will get to everything else. Maybe if I can pull everything off of here. Okay. So first off, we were given a recipe for February, which you will have already seen at the beginning of the video. And so the first thing that I went and did was picked out this floral paper. We needed a large multicolor floral paper, and so this one has a bunch of kind of deep orange and then like pinky orange. It's got white and grays, light grays and dark grays and off-whites. It's got a lot of different colors going on here, but they're all very neutral and muted, and that was kind of what I liked about this paper. So this is the paper that I based the whole kit off of, and I'm so super excited about it. Okay, so then the next item we were supposed to pull is 3 cardstocks. So I pulled in a white, orangish, kind of like a deep orange that kind of looks a little bit like the floral here, and then a teal blue, which is really, really gorgeous. Then I went ahead and did, let's see, a text paper. So the text that I pulled out was this one from Girl Squad by Pebbles, and it's called Happy Day. I also pulled out this other one from Pebbles. It's kind of funny that it's the same company, and this one's from the Happy Day collection. I'm not really sure that I like this one so much, but I thought I would kind of give myself 2 different options if I just wanted something really simple, or if I really wanted like a big text. So I decided to pull in 2 text papers. Then I pulled in, let's see, a pattern paper with at least 3 colors. So this one has, you know, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. 8 if you include the white. So I thought that one went along really well. The greens kind of do clash a little bit, but the blues go really well and the yellows go really well too, along with the grays. So I was just going to ignore the green. Then we were supposed to pull in a grid or ledger paper. So I am calling this a grid. I know it's not super grid-like, but it kind of is. And then this paper I just kind of pulled in to kind of finish it all off with. I really liked bringing in the kind of reddish color, and I thought it did, like, it doesn't match perfectly, but it goes pretty well with the orangey kind of pinky colors in the floral. So that is, and it also has a grid on the background, but it's more off-white than I kind of wanted it to be. So that's also another reason why I brought this in. I could use either background, the grid, or this, but I think I'm going to focus on this for now. So these are the papers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 papers. I don't have any scraps this time, which kind of impressed me. Okay, then next we are going to pull in some stamps. So we're moving on to embellishments. So I have a stamp set here that I got from a company called In Love Arts, and it's actually a company that I am doing a review for. So you'll see that video tomorrow, and the stamp set will be in it. But I thought this stamp set went really well with this kit, so I'm going to be using this stamp set for this kit. So there's the first stamp set, and then I also have this background stamp from close to my heart. It's got a bunch of different shapes and things. It's a rectangle shape, so it's not a full background. But I thought that this shape went really well with this background and like the triangles and everything. And so I thought it would be kind of fun to incorporate a bigger stamp set like that in with the kit as well. So that's another stamp that I'm going to try to use. Then we have sequins. So I have these white sequin stickers from We Are Memory Keepers. I think I've had these for like 3 or 4 years. A long time, and I haven't even used one. So I was like, okay, I need to pull those in. Then I pulled out Holiday Magic from Spiegel Mom Scraps. This is amazing colors. Just look at those colors. I absolutely love them. They go so well with all of the papers. And then I also got In Your Dreams from Spiegel Mom Scraps, which has nice aquas and orange and then gold in there. And I thought that went so perfect with all of the papers as well. So those are the 3 sequin mixes I'm going to be using. Then also washi tape. I'm going to use this gray washi tape, and it's an old, I think this is from We Are Memory Keepers too. It came with the little washi tape organizer thing that I have. Okay, then we're gonna do family embellishments this time around. So I had kind of a hard time with the embellishments. So I'm gonna show you kind of what I came up with and how I'm interpreting the family embellishments theme. So I started out with a bunch of these You Are Here, I Am in Love with Today, Never Lose Your Sense of Wonder, Extraordinary, Love, I Love My Family, obviously, this other love heart one, Love Unconditionally, I Love My Family Unconditionally, I Am in Love with Today. So just basically sayings and things that I feel, like feelings for my family. That's kind of the way that I took this. Create your own adventure. So, I mean, with a family, you do create your own adventure. And then I'm going to pull in some really, really old Maggie Holmes. So fun moments, think happy. So things that you do with your family. Love This, Sweetest Day, and then Delight in the Everyday Moments. And then I'm also pulling in a couple of just random embellishments, tags, and ampersand. This says Smile Pretty, and then a bunch of like Maggie Holmes bigger, like Remember This Moment, Love This Memory, Let's Do This. Oh, hello there. Love This Life. That's a 3x4 size, so I could totally do a pocket page with this kit. And then a bunch of tags and things that just, My Happy Little Life, Remember This Moment, a nice journaling spot, Little Moments Count, Love This Life, Make Today Great, Moments and Places, This Is What Life Is All About. So just a lot of like little things that I could be saying about my family. Gorgeous, fact. I have a bunch of these ephemera pieces that are acetate. Speech bubbles that just say love today, keep it up, happy, 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 let's do this. So I'm going to include those as well. Heck yes, I figured this could be a good thing to journal on. Here's some more acetate pieces, another journaling piece, You and Me, and just like some fun little adorbs, some more acetate pieces. So very beautiful. So just lots of little things about how I feel about my family. That's kind of how I interpreted it, since I don't have any specific family themed embellishments. And this one was so cute. I thought this was cute. It says full. So like my my mason jar is full because, you know, of my family. I thought that was kind of cute. Then I had this pre-made embellishment. I could do, like, I could put the word family or something here, something like that. And yeah, so that was it for the embellishments. Then we were supposed to pull out hearts. So I pulled out a bunch of these silver hearts, gray hearts, which kind of go with the gray color over here. And then we were also supposed to pull out some labels or tags. And so I pulled out a few tags that I had in my stash that I really, really liked. So those are going to go in here as well. And then we move on to the mixed media bit. So we thought it would be fun to use acrylic paint. So I pulled out 4 different acrylic paint colors. So I have yellow. This is Happy Hues from Jelly Bean Soup. This is old. This is like 5 years old. And it does go with that yellow here. Then I have this Craft Smart acrylic paint Aqua. And this is from Michael's. I think that's the Michael's brand. Then I have another Happy Hues in Amiable Aqua that would kind of go with this kind of teal and kind of minty green teal. Then I have Pure Silver by Apple Barrel, which I think is I got it at Joann's. So I've got that. Then a stencil. So I got this stencil from this same company that I'm doing the product review for. And I thought it was kind of a cool stencil. It brings in the circles from this paper. And so that's the stencil that I'm going to try to use on here on this, in this layout. I forgot one of the tags. This is another tag. This is from a Vicky Bouton little tag sheet. Then for the alphabets, they had 2 that they wanted us to use, or we wanted you to use. Teresa Collins little tile alphas. So these ones are black with a white outline. It doesn't want to focus. And these are old too. I'm not even sure. Let's see, 2014. So I've had these for a while. So it'll be nice to use those on some layouts. Then we were supposed to pick out an alpha with a pattern on it. And I decided to pick out 3 because I never, you know, follow rules. So I picked out this one called Cheerful. And I believe this is from, it's from a Paige Evans collection. I want to say Whimsical, but I could be wrong. Then I have this sketchbook thickers from American Crafts. I'm not sure what this one's from because this one's old. And then this one is Marquee thickers, also from American Crafts. I think these 2 came out the same year. I want to say 2014. Oh, it says 2012. So this one came out in 2012. This one came out in 2014. So this one's even older than I thought it was. And I'm getting, I don't know where this came from. So those are the alphas that I picked out for this kit. I am super duper excited about this month and I can't wait to get scrapbooking. Make sure you check out the playlist below that is going to have all of the videos for this month. We're doing a new playlist every single month so that you can see the kit and the layouts that are related to that month. So make sure that you check out the playlist below to find the other ladies' videos, and I will see you again in a few days with my very first layout. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!